we're just starting to get to moonbag season. If you don't know what a moonbag is, we're going to cover it in this video. But before we get into all that, none of this is financial advice. And there are 13 spots left in the EPIQ Trading Floor for the All Access membership. So if you want to get access, you can click the link in the description or tagged in the video, or go to epictradingfloor.com, EPIQ. Click learn more if you want. There's a 3-minute video that'll show you exactly what you get from joining the All Access membership, including the academy, the community, the live streams, the trading floors, all that stuff. And then you can grab a 3-day free trial. It won't charge you for 72 hours, and you can make sure it's a good fit before you commit long term. So without further ado, roll the intro and let's get this video started. Now for this video, we're going to use Gala. Now Gala is going to be the example in this video because I just created a moonbag on Gala. We got into this a few months ago within the August to September range, down here at about 0.1674. And from the price we got in, we're currently sitting up about 144%, even from current price, 131%. So with that in mind, I decided to create a moonbag. And for those of you who don't know what a moonbag is, it is a really great long-term trading strategy. A, if you want to mitigate risk, basically taking out all the risk out of trades if you do this correctly. And B, if you don't have that much money to put into your portfolio, for example, this is a great way to be able to expand and allocate money without having to put tons of money into the market. So for example, I used moonbags in 2020 going into 2021. I put $10,000 into the market in 2020. I didn't put any more money into it after that point. And through 2021, got into the 6 figures in profits and jumped my portfolio from 10 projects up to about 35. And the strategy itself is pretty simple. When you get into projects that are highly oversold, I wait until profit gets to about 100 to 200%. And then when we get into that range, I take out my initial investment. And that really is what a moonbag comes down to, is taking out your initial investment. And by doing that, you're mitigating your risk, because then anything else that's left in that trade is going to be house money. It's going to be unrealized profits. So even if that project, God forbid, went to zero, it sucks, but you're not going to lose sleep, and you're technically not going to lose any money out of your pocket because you already took what you actually invested out of it. And then B, like I said, now I can take that initial investment that I had in Gala and I can move it into other projects and assets. And for example, if I went for lower cap gems, I could probably get 3 or 4 of them for the price for the same entry that I got into Gala by itself. And this is a really popular and common long-term strategy. So if you're dollar cost averaging from, let's say 2022, 2023, even from a few months ago, and you're willing to stay within these trades with long-term conviction, aka you're willing to be in them for, let's say, 3 to 9 more months to really see where price pushes, this still allows you to have exposure into those trades while minimizing your risk. Like I said, so if it goes to zero, you're not going to worry. But if it continues to skyrocket, you still have plenty of skin in the game and lots of exposure so that you can continue to make money as it goes up. But for me personally, at the end of the day, it's all about securing gains, because it's easy to make money in crypto. It's even easier to lose money in crypto. Gala is one of the 15 projects that I've been accumulating long term in the last few months, and then I had about 6 projects that I've been accumulating since 2022. All of that information is available for EPIQ Trading Floor members. You could just go to the crypto trading floor and then go to trade alerts, and you'll be able to see all that information. But yeah, we'll wrap up the video on moonbags here. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comment section. Let me know if this video was useful and if you learned enough to be able to use this moving forward. I appreciate all of you so much. Again, if you haven't joined the EPIQ Trading Floor, go do that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I hope everyone has an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.